The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the attacks launched by ground attack and army aviation, as well as the artillery of the Zapad group of forces, have resulted in the neutralization of the manpower and military equipment of the Ukrainian units from the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades near Olshana, Persho-Travnevoye, Krakhmalnoye, Berestovoye of Kharkov region, and Novosolovskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. Over 35 Ukrainian personnel, 1 armored personnel carrier, and 1 motor vehicle have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, operational tactical and army aviation, the artillery and flamethrower systems of the center group of forces have neutralized the manpower and military equipment of the Ukrainian units from the 66th Mechanized, the 25th Airborne, the 95th Airborne Assault, and the 81st Air Mobile Brigades near Stelmakhovka, Chervonopopovka, Chervonaya Dibrova, Kuzmino of Lugansk People's Republic, and Terny of Donetsk People's Republic. Over 130 Ukrainian personnel, 1 infantry fighting vehicle, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 1 Gruat MLRS, as well as 1 ordnance depot of the Ukrainian 66th Mechanized Brigade have been eliminated near Podliman of Kharkov region. In the Donetsk direction, the offensive and firepower operations conducted by the Yug group of forces have resulted in the elimination of over 140 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 3 pickups, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 Stabi howitzer. 2 Ukrainian armed forces ordnance depots have been destroyed near Avdiivka and Slavyansk of Donetsk People's Republic. In the South Donetsk direction, army aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces have neutralized the Ukrainian units from the 72nd Mechanized, the 1st Tank, and the 35th Marine Brigades near Uglidar and Vodinoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 75 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank, 1 infantry fighting vehicle, 3 armored fighting vehicles, and 2 motor vehicles have been eliminated. 3 Ukrainian ordnance and fuel depots have been destroyed by the artillery near Novomikhailivka, Uglidar, and Dobrovolye of Donetsk People's Republic. In the Kherson direction, counter-battery warfare operations have resulted in the destruction of 1 Ukrainian armed forces motor crew near Olgovka of Kherson region. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 74 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 123 areas. In the Kharkov, the workshops at an aircraft industrial enterprise that modernized unmanned aerial vehicles and loitering munitions have been destroyed. Moreover, the headquarters of the 79th Airborne Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been neutralized near Krasnogorovka of Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have shot down 11 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS MLRS and 10 unmanned aerial vehicles near Zhitlovka, Stelmakhovka, Krasnorechenskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Skelki, Verkhnya Krynytsa in Zaporozhye region, Staraya Zbruyevka in Kherson region, Trudovskoy, Kuybyshevo in Donetsk People's Republic, and Tabaevka in Kharkov region. In total, 382 airplanes, 206 helicopters, 3,046 unmanned aerial vehicles, 403 air defense missile systems, 7,789 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,011 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,022 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,291 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.